of bolts do you normally use?
These, for holding our panels together, the panels that we make, we've got some over here, are they're quite heavy. So we've got M10 bolts, which are really quite substantial. Where we see the bolt heads, we tend to use the sort of mushroom-headed bolts for aesthetic purposes. If it's underground or something like that, then we can get away with using these hex heads, which don't look quite as good, but you won't be seeing them anyway. We use washers and again stainless steel, and same with the nuts as well. These particular ones are threaded all the way, but you don't need the thread because the holes that we're putting them through are a little bit bigger than the shank of the bolt. So the thread won't be biting into anything, so really in this instance we're paying for thread we don't need. So we can be using, if we know what the thickness of material is, we've got 100mm there of material we can go through, and then just the thread sticking out to bite when we put the nuts on, and that's satisfactory.